Hello, this is the video presentation for Team 2 of the summer semester 2019. Our project is focused on website development and the implementation of AdSense. All 5 of our group members will be speaking in this video. We hope you enjoy.
Google AdSense is a free, customizable program that allows website owners to earn money by placing targeted ads next to their online content. Google matches both text and display ads to your site based on your site content and visitor interests. The ads are created and paid for by companies who bid on the ability to advertise on your site. The highest paying ads appear on your site in the locations you designate, and you earn money based on clicks and ad impressions. Google then bills advertisers for the ads on your site and pays you for the ad space. To apply, you must have an active URL for the site that you want to display ads on, a valid email address, and a Google account. Once your AdSense account application is approved, Google provides ad code to copy into your AdSense website between the opening and closing header tags on any pages that have unique content and regular traffic. Since we designed our website from scratch during a short semester, we were unable to get approved for AdSense during that time. However, AdSense was considered in each step of designing our site. Our first concern was to ensure our content and site layout met Google's Webmaster Guidelines. These guidelines ensure that pages are designed for users and not search engines, are not tricky or deceptive, and feature unique, valuable content. Specifically, no automatically generated content, pages with little or no original content, redirects, pop-ups, or any other malicious behavior is allowed. With new video game trailers being part of our content, we had to avoid placing ads next to any embedded copyrighted videos to avoid violating Google policy. For our site, ad locations will only be replaced next to content we create. When choosing what type of ads to place on our site, we had to decide between auto ads and ad units. For more manual control of how the ads appear, where they're located, and their size, we chose ad units. The primary drawback to this is that you have to make sure you place the ads on all pages you want them to appear and comply with the AdSense program policies notated earlier. But having full control seems worth the extra work of placing the ads ourselves. Ad balance allows you to choose how much of your dedicated ad space that Google actually fills up at any given time. For example, if you set it at 70%, then Google will fill up 70% of your ad space with the highest revenue ads, or the ads that garner the most clicks on your site. This can create a more positive user experience with a relatively low effect on your ad profit. As a team, we decided to start out with a 50% ad balance to keep the site clean to attract new users, and then from there experiment with increasing the ad balance to see how viewership adjusts to the increases. We also had to consider what type of ads we want to block on our site. As we are a gaming-centric website, we chose to block adverts for competitor sites, such as IGN or GameSpot, so that our viewers do not get redirected to a competitor. Lastly, we chose to block sensitive ads that deal with politics or religion, so that everyone feels welcome at our site when viewing entertainment content.
For our project, we had 2 different web developers creating separate websites, so we could experiment with design layout and structure, although we could share ideas with each other and work together if needed. I went with more simple design for my website, and figured if a team after us decided to continue where we left off, they'd have a much easier time building off of our foundation. I still had a few problems with my website, however. It took a bit of research to find a good hosting service that was free of charge. Creating and designing the website was a simple task for me, though. I took some ideas and references I found online, but created something that eventually became my own.
Hello everyone, this is Rohan Ayub, one of the designers for Entertainment Central Blog, also known as ECB for short. At ECB, we are dedicated to giving the viewer the best format for video game coverage. With 2 main website designers, Kyle Marion and myself, we drafted different versions of the site. This was after brainstorming what sort of content we wanted to focus on. We started as a multimedia coverage website, but then narrowed down to a website driven by video game content. We made sure that you could see the shifts in our design in our project documentation, and thus showing off a little of our creative process. We figured having 2 websites up and running, we could show you, the investors, what we are capable of and that we are flexible in our designs. We plan on listening to our investors' ideas so we can work together and create a website that gets high traffic and in return generates high Google AdSense revenue.
Hello, I am Rigel Kent Granada. I worked with Ashlyn McCrae and Caleb Alexander on research for our blog-based website, ECB, Entertainment Central Blog. I focused more on individual blog posts that I thought people would be interested in. We decided on a gaming website because the point of Team 2's project was to attract people to the website so they can view ads that were placed on the website by Google AdSense, and thus generating revenue. Team 2 had a common interest in video games, and we know the game community is very large, so not only would it be fun writing about new games that we are excited for, but also the community is a large enough audience that if we got enough people to visit our website, we could get approved for Google AdSense, and see how it works. Given the time span of our project, attracting a large enough audience proved to be very difficult, especially with many websites already covering E3. So we decided to focus on content and websites. We did our research on Google AdSense and applied the ads ourselves through mockups to show what we would like the website to look like if we were approved by Google AdSense. Together with our research and website design, we learned a lot about Google AdSense and created a strong base for this project to continue progress in the future.
Entertainment Central Blog, better known as ECB, is a website project catered towards gaming fanatics. We deliver all your gaming needs from upcoming releases, rumor reports, reviews, and more. The latest gaming buzz has been all about the new E3. This is the world's premier event for new computer and video games. The event was held in Los Angeles on June 11th through the 13th. ECB provides you with all of the new release dates for famous games like Call of Duty, Pokemon, Marvel's Ultimate Alliance, and Cyberpunk. Our website is also the best place to look for gaming previews. Come find out our reviews on the most popular games like Luigi's Mansion 3 before you buy it. Entertainment Central Blog will be your first stop for gaming rumor reports. Have you heard of Google Stadia just yet? Don't worry, our website will provide you with all the new exclusives. Google is taking gaming out of a box and into the cloud. Don't miss out on the latest gaming news. Save our ECB website to your bookmarks now.